Hello everyone, I'm back. As you can see, I'm cutting it slowly by little by little. Honey, can you 可唔可以幫我啊？我做好啦，幫我幾分鐘啫，得唔得啊？Please support your husband, please。而家呢排我需要你幫手，唔該你。我做好啦。You told me to cook, I cook for you, okay？係啦，please help me, okay？ Because 我冇 charge 你任何錢㗎，我煮嘢俾你食 ，okay？同埋你都請我食好多，我知道咯，係咪先？
得。
你邊度買嘅呢個 imitation crab？係大概邊度？冇講名，冇講 exactly，OK？ 係大概邊度 ？Chinatown，OK？OK？因為唔好做太多，OK？有時候做人啫，即係有時候低調啲啊。
電話係咪冇電啊？
差唔多冇電，我電話係，因為我都冇充電。
可唔可以食一個睇下有冇食
？OK，食一個試下，應該都 OK 嘅。
啲飯會唔會食得咋
？OK 啦，你整嘅你咁OK，你整咩飯整咩咯。下次呢個飯咧唔好落咁多水，確保咧 everyone when you eat California rice over here do not put too much water，OK？ 通常一頭次對翻一個 portion，but then 確保咧擺少啲水就包你正。其實呢個好似唔係咁靚仔，俾埋你啦。Take this one， 你埋呢個，食埋佢先得啦，我而家去充下電先啊。
？OK，
你食埋佢先啦，好唔好食？